Readings indicate a spike near the starboard compartment.
Confirmed. Localized count rate is climbing rapidly.
Specialized being positioned around USS Thresher SSN-593 nuclear reactor section by robotic manipulator.
Access Thresher SSN-593 control room through sail section. Helmholtz frozen with corrosion.
Inspecting USS Thresher SSN-593 engine room. Steam turbines seized, reduction gears corroded.
Examining USS Thresher SSN-593 galley and crew mess area. Corroded cooking equipment.
Shackle secured on mounting point 4.
Copy that. Equalizing tension on the starboard side now.
Reading stable. Well done, team.
Samples from USS Thresher SSN-593 hull for laboratory.
Extracting damaged sonar equipment from USS Thresher SN-5.
Applying corrosion inhibitor coatings to USS Thresher SSN-593 hull to prevent further sealing all hull penetrations in USS Thresher SSN-593 where pipes and cables pass through, preventing further water intrusion during preservation.
Team 1, engage primary cables. We have a solid connection on the forward section.
Copy that. Engaging now. Watch the starboard side.
Coast Guard vessels establishing security perimeter around barges carrying USS Thresher SN-593.
Chief! Get that chain seated now. Aye, Chief. It's tight. Lock that turnbuckle down and double check the tension.
Okay, gentlemen, we are entering the final stage. Maintain 2 feet clearance.
Copy. Monitoring radiation levels at the barrier.
Steady, steady. Watch your descent rate.
Look at that. After all these years. Yeah. Welcome home, Thresher.
We need to decide which components have the most educational value for the display.
I believe the propeller and the sonar array are essential for telling the story.
This section here, the torpedo room, needs full technical restoration, regardless of cost.
Commander, we must also consider
USS Thresher. Their sacrifice.
Laser scaling clean teams mapping entire surface for USS Thresher SSN-593 sections, creating precise digital model.
Engineers performing ultrasonic thickness testing on USS Thresher SSN-593 pressure hull.
All major sections of USS Thresher SSN-593 position climate-controlled dry dock facility.
Opening forward torpedo room of USS Thresher SSN-593. 4 torpedo tube doors.
Examining USS Thresher SSN-593 electrical distribution panels and motor controllers. All systems corroded and non-functional.
Checking USS Thresher SSN-593 hydraulic systems for planes, rudder, and stern plane control. All cylinders and lines corroded.
Cleaning electrical cabinets throughout USS Thresher SSN-93. Removing corrosion products. Quality inspection of cleaned USS Thresher SSN-593 sections. True condition now visible. Planning restoration approach based on actual damage.
The analysis confirms the stress points. We proceed with a specialized welding repair plan.
Status check on suit integrity.
All green, Supervisor.
Confirmed. Proceed carefully, mind the heavy metals.
Pressure washing interior of USS Thresher SSN-593 ballast tanks, removing rust scale and marine deposits, preparing for inspection.
Pumping accumulated water and sediment from USS Thresher SSN-593 builds decades of ocean water. Applying rust conversion chemicals to USS Thresher SSN-593 hull sections, stabilizing active corrosion, preparing for restoration work.
Applying protective coating to USS Thresher SSN-593 exterior hull. Corrosion prevention while maintaining weathered appearance for historical authenticity.
Reinforcing internal frame rings of USS Thresher SSN-593, critical structural members, additional support for museum display loads. Repairing watertight bulkheads in USS Thresher SSN-593, restoring door mechanisms for demonstration, maintaining compartmentalization.
Installing new deck plates in USS Thresher SSN-593 compartments where originals corroded through, maintaining walkway safety for future tours.
Easy now, bring it down 5 more feet. Holding steady, sir.
The USS Thresher represents a critical piece of naval history. We're meticulously restoring the sail, restoring bow diving planes on USS Thresher SN-593, rebuilding hydraulic cylinders,
Realigning propeller shaft in USS Thresher SSN-593 stern section, shaft bearings replaced, maintaining correct geometry.
We've restored the outer doors and rebuilt the operating mechanisms. This demonstration shows the capability for the museum.
Repairing ballast tank structure in USS Thresher SSN-593, replacing corroded sections, maintaining tanks for educational cutaway displays.
installing permanent support keel blocks under USS Thresher SSN-593 hull for museum display, distributing weight properly along pressure hull.
Rebuilding internal ladders and hatches throughout USS Thresher SSN-593, enabling future museum access to multiple compartments.
Restoring watertight hatch covers on USS Thresher SSN-593, rebuilding dogs and sealing surfaces, operational demonstration capability.
Laser scan confirms the depth at 593 millimeters.
Okay, and the tape shows the internal vent diameter is within tolerance at the forward section.
Said. Rebuilding bow sonar dome structure of USS Thresher SSN-593, fiberglass reconstruction matching a
Conducting structural load tests on restored USS Thresher SSN-593 sections, ensuring stability for museum display and public access.
Preserving USS Thresher SSN-593 steam turbine systems for educational display.
Applying authentic submarine black paint to USS Thresher SSN-593 hull, matching original 1960s naval.
Careful around the edge of the 3.
Yeah, I got it. Ready to move the scaffold?
Easy now, bring it left just a touch.
Got it. Looks perfect, doesn't it?
Engaging the rotation now.
Check. Magnification appears fully functional.
There it is, bearing Mark 320.
I see the spike. Adjusting the range scale. As you can see, the hydraulic rams are now engaging, lifting the training torpedo into position.
Installing museum lighting throughout USS Thresher SSN-593. Period-appropriate fixtures in some areas.
We spent months training on these very valves. Every crewman knew the system inside and out, a matter of survival back then.
All right, initiating the emergency light sequence now.
Looks good from here. The suppression system is pressurized.
These dividers are incredibly precise for the era.
Yes, and the chart's in remarkable condition considering the age.
Restoring damage control stations throughout USS Thresher SSN-593. Firefighting equipment, flooding control, emergency repair tools.
We've integrated the hydraulics and the compressed air systems into this educational cutaway.
The air conditioning unit is fully operational as well.
I think we finally nailed the authentic living conditions display.
Absolutely. The bunks and lockers look exactly right.
So I tell him, you can't fix that with a hammer.
A hammer, really?
What did he expect? We're 300 feet down.
As you can see, the system relies on a careful sequence. We open the vacuum equalizer, then the flushing valve, and finally the discharge.
So this is the Steinke hood they used in the escape trunk. It's remarkable how simple the design was.
Yes, especially the way it utilized the ambient water pressure.
Creating cutaway display of USS Thresher SSN-593 hydraulic systems, showing how diving planes and rudder controlled educational transparency.
We've restored the high-pressure air banks. The accident highlighted critical flaws in the emergency blow system's design and testing protocols.
As you can see, the helm responds smoothly to starboard input. Now moving to the planes, we can adjust the depth. Everything is fully operational.
Installing working replica depth gauges in the USS Thresher SSN-593 control room, showing the test depth and crush depth markings.
Okay, verify the main topics: submarine operations, historical context, and the
accident investigation.
Setting up climate control display cases around USS Thresher, SSN-593.
Final detail work on USS Thresher, SSN-593. Touching up paint, polishing brass fittings.
Testing all interior lighting in USS Thresher, SSN-593, ensuring proper illumination for tours.
The narration was superb. Hearing those stories again, it's just like being back in '61.
I'll make a note of that. Thank you for helping with the test.
Final safety inspection of USS Thresher, SSN-593 museum installation. Fire Marshal.
The dive breaks were unique to the Thresher class.
How should we address the loss when visitors ask?
We focus on the memorial significance and the bravery of the crew.
The restoration process focused on maintaining the integrity of the original structure while ensuring it can be viewed safely by the public and the families.
He served on the Thresher. This was his home.
Yes.
It's a powerful tribute to them all.
The Thresher was the first of her class, a real technological marvel for the time.
The control room was state-of-the-art for its time, but the loss of the Thresher was a profound tragedy that changed submarine safety forever.